how did you encounter the the CBE format? This must have been the first time you had to switch from pen and paper to an Excel and Word. Can you share a very quick experience which you had? Was it smooth, easy? How was it?
Okay. While practicing mock tests, it was not easy, but in the examination it was very smooth. So when I was practicing during my first revision, when I was practicing, I did not practice it on CBE platform, sir. I've practiced on paper only. Uh, Software practice I've done only through mock tests. This
Right. And did you
anything?
find it different, pen and paper switching over to Excel and Word?
Yes, I found it. I found it different, sir. I planned to write only two mock tests, but when I wrote only two mock tests, I got to know that two are not sufficient because we are not used to solve questions on the CBE platform. No? So last four mock tests helped me a lot. Last two, especially last two mock tests helped me a lot. First four mocks were only for getting used to it. Next, last two mock tests helped me uh, to become perfect in that. Sir.
Right. So a lot of students come back with us saying that they feel a bit overwhelmed with the CBE, the software word, but just to give them an assurance, you felt it is like totally smooth, easy, nothing to be worried of, right?
Yes, sir. Nothing to be worried. It's actually easier when compared to writing on paper.